Hi, my name is Ashish, and this is the new video wherein we'll see how to do a restore VM from the backup. If you remember, we took a backup of an Azure VM in the last video, and now we will see how to restore that backup in Azure of the VM. And I'm sorry, it's been quite few days. It's been over a week. I uploaded a video. I promise all of you that I'll try to upload a new video every single day, and I'll make sure that I'll not miss it. Okay, so let me just quickly log on to the portal and get it from there. Right, so this is the status of the backup jobs that I enabled. And you see it took around 1 hour 20 minutes for Azure to take the backup, the initial backup of my VM. It first configured and then took the backup. You'll see, if you see the details, it gives the backup size, recovery point, snapshot, vault, everything is done. This is the activity ID for it. So if I go to my recovery vault, vault, you can search it by the name on the top search bar. It's a Google for Azure. I'm sorry, I'm mixing Microsoft with the Google. You see under backup items on the left pan, this is the Azure virtual machine. It can have Azure backup agent, your DPM storage. It's new. Azure storage, Azure files is new. We'll see Azure backup server. We'll see a bit of everything here. So this is the Azure virtual machine. It says it's paused because I just showed you how to do the backup. So you can also stop the backup. The backup is now after the initial backup, it replicates the changes and do the backup on the specific time that you've mentioned in your backup policy. We'll see how to create the backup policy as well. So it says clearly you want to backup now again or you want to restore the VM. Let's say I want to restore a VM. I will. So once again, let me show you. If you go under the vault backup items, Azure virtual machine, come here, click here on the job. You see this restore VM. Click on restore VM. It'll load the restore point. There is no crash consistent, application consistent. It's everything here. It is my application consistent restore point. I click on OK. Restore type, you want to create a virtual machine or only restore the disk. Let's say I want to create a virtual machine. Virtual machine which be test Azure restore VM. Resource group I'll keep the same. Let's say this is the new virtual network. Subnet would be the default, the existing. Storage account, select an option. Alright, click on OK. It validates. Click on restore. Triggering restore for test Azure. Let's see what it says. Please monitor progress in the backup jobs page. So there is not, you would not see a separate restore job option here. You will have to go back to the jobs which would be under your backup job. So you see there is no restore jobs. You have to go to backup jobs to check the restore VM progress as well. See, but the operation would show that it's a restore operation, right? Like it was the backup operation, the configure backup operation, it would be a restore operation. Click on restore operation. 1% completed. So after this VM is restored, you would see that virtual machine under virtual machines, the name that you gave, and then you'll be able to RDP into it. Then you can delete the old machine because you have already restored the backup of the existing test Azure machine. So this is just simple of the restore process that you can do for the backup that you have taken for an Azure VM. I hope you liked this video. I hope this was informative to you. Please share and subscribe to this channel. Mention in your feedbacks in the comment section, and we will be happy to get all the feedback. It will motivate me to make more videos, be more consistent in uploading more videos. Till next time, you have a great day ahead. Bye bye.